All right, short and sweet. Trading the Apex account, Russell futures, 60-minute bar, big data today. Yesterday, big data. Every day is a big data plus the talking heads. Now, given all the crazy making that's been going on in the markets and the buy anything frenzy that's happening again, Russell is interesting because it has so far escaped the same kind of trajectory as the NASDAQ and the Dow and the ES. So, in absence of all of that, it tends to trade like a little bit like a Forex in my experience. Slow it down a tiny bit, put it down on a 60-minute time frame. It behaves really, really nicely. So here we have the 60-minute time frame. The big data came out at 5:30, then by 6 in the morning. By 6 in the morning, we already had quite a run up. And then by 6:30, by 7 in the morning, of course, we corrected all the way down. So R2, R3, I have multiple pivots, so I don't even bother. I don't care what number of the pivot it is. It could be the second or the third on one of my versions of pivots. Came right to R2, R3, corrected beautifully to a Fibonacci textbook. That big candle set us up for the rest of the day, basically trading. Came in all the way down to the Fib level, to the mark. Spiked all the way just a little above the Fib level also, and then eventually settled on a 50% Fib retracement and held it for the next, I would say, a couple of hours. So that's the day. Opportunities to fade from here, definitely opportunities to fade from here when the thing started to fail. All the way down bubble, opportunities to buy here, nice R1, nicely supported above the tops of the overnight price action, and then stuck in a range which is fully tradable, provided, trying to trade it on a 1-minute time frame, then it's just pure noise. But I really do love either a currency pair or a commodity or any kind of futures, index future, which trades so nicely around the Fib levels when there is a clear price structure around simple retracements. Simple or not so simple. Now, exactly how do I get in to trade this thing is a separate conversation. All I wanted to acknowledge is that Russell is different, it's special, and it does tend to behave quite nicely when you slow it down a bit and trade with the Fib retracements mindset. That I find to be almost precious, and it certainly helps me to trade.